out way back in the day. I'm taking it back. And I asked some of y'all on social media and y'all was guessing it. I was like, dang, how they know what I'm about to do? Y'all was guessing it like a mug. I was like, no, wait a minute. I'm getting ready to do a modified straight Vixen crochet. Notice I said modified. So we have a lot of family coming. I want to be able to throw my hair in a ponytail. Hence, I'm going to have leave out around my perimeter. And if I want to wear it down, I have a leave out strip right here that ends right there, and I could do a little middle part, wear it down if I want to. Otherwise, it's probably going to be up, but it's going to be super, 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 super cute. Okay, this right here is the braid pattern. This area. I braided my perimeter and I braided a middle piece, a middle section right here. That will be unraveled after everything is said and done. So if you're going for the styles that I'm going for, which is either a ponytail, it can be as high as you want, as low as you want, whatever, or a middle part and wear it down, this is the braid pattern you want to use, okay? You don't want to go out of your way and do unnecessary stuff. If you don't need to do that, then you know. So you guys, oh my god, it is like really early right now. I'm here and I'm not here at the same time. I'm here and I'm not here. You may see me right now. That's because I'm here, but I'm also not. Real quick, the hair that I'm using is from Model. It's their premium Silky Touch Jumbo Braid, which is 100% Kanekalon. Y'all know how I do. Bam. Oh, bam. Ooh. I'm so excited to do this. I have not done this style in years. I'm super zooted to do this. And then I'm going to get my face together and then we just gonna be on our merry holiday way. Okay? Alright. Oh, let's go. The hair has to be, the sections that you're using, the little pieces, have to be small enough to where your knot holds. If you are having problems with your knot slipping, it's probably because your pieces are too big and they're just like sliding, slipping, sliding. You want to make sure that it's very neat. Let me say this too. I used to be able to do this and just leave the ends hanging, but now that it's longer, I'm going to pull these ends up and just sew it down into these braids, and I'm just going to crochet right over it. Okay, so if you have longer hair, you may have to do that. That's what I'm doing, and I will jump back on once all of this is crocheted.